English by Joy. Parts of fruits and vegetables in English. Skin. The apple has a thin skin. Peel. You can peel the banana easily. Rind. The watermelon has a thick green rind. Flesh. The mango has soft yellow flesh. Seed. Papaya has many small seeds inside. Pit. There is a hard pit inside a plum. Core. The pear core contains seeds. Stem. The cherry has a short green stem. Leaf. Spinach has large green leaves. Crown. The pineapple has a spiky green crown. Juice. Oranges are full of juice. Segment. You can eat a mandarin in segments. Husk. Corn husks are removed before cooking. Shell. A coconut has a very hard shell. Pod. Green peas grow inside a pod. Root. A carrot is a root vegetable. Bulb. The onion is a round bulb. Floret. Broccoli is made of many green florets. Sprout. Bean sprouts are used in salads. Tuber. A potato is a tuber that grows underground. Head. A cabbage has a round, leafy head.